and welcome to Stay in London blog. And today I wanted to talk to you about dynamic pricing. So what is dynamic pricing? Dynamic pricing is software that helps us property managers control the way pricing and minimum stay requirements and various other settings are set up on various channels. At Stay in London, we use the wheelhouse. It allows us to have various rules. So for example, when it comes to minimum stay requirements, we might have a minimum stay requirement for weekdays and then a different requirement for weekends. For example, on weekends, it could be minimum of 3 nights. Also for advanced bookings, so bookings that are done 2-3 months before the start of the stay, we can actually also increase the minimum stay requirement to, let's say, 5 nights. It also allows us to reduce the minimum stay requirement, for example, when we have something that's called orphan gaps. These are gaps between 2 stays that are 2 or 3 nights, so we can actually then reduce the minimum stay requirement. On top of that, it also allows you to see the calendar and track overall occupancy, and then adjust the pricing according to that within, special rules, requirements that each property can have. At Stay in London, we recommend using dynamic pricing software. First of all, it helps you keep track of your progress. It also reduces the risk of actually leaving money on the table or pricing your property incorrectly, because it also shows how the market is performing and allows you to make a very well-informed decision. If you're considering letting your property out on a short-term basis and you're interested in finding out a bit more about how dynamic pricing works, please get in touch with us at the below address and we'll be able to give you a much more detailed overview of how this kind of software can help increase the overall performance of your property. Please get in touch with us at the below address. Thank you for listening and have a great week. Bye-bye.